In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stock on Tradestation. By the end, you'll feel confident placing a straightforward stock order from start to finish. First, open the order bar and make sure the instrument type is set to stocks or equities. The order bar is the panel where you stage everything about your trade before you send it to the market. If you see options or futures selected, switch it to stocks equities so your order goes to the right market. Next, enter the symbol, also known as the ticker. This is the short code that identifies the company you want to buy. Type it carefully and take a second to verify you've got the correct listing, especially if multiple symbols look similar. A quick double check here helps avoid buying the wrong security. Now enter the quantity, which is the number of shares you want. Think about the total cost. It's the share price times your share count plus any fees. Make sure it aligns with your budget and risk tolerance. If you're testing the process, start small so you can get used to how orders behave. Choose your order type. Market and limit are the two most common. A market order prioritizes speed. It will try to fill immediately at the best available price, which can be slightly higher or lower than the last traded price, especially in fast markets. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. For a buy, the order will only execute at your limit price or better, giving you price control, though it may not fill if the market never reaches your price. If you pick limit, enter your desired limit price thoughtfully, using recent price action as a guide. Set the duration. Day means the order will work only for the current trading session and then expire if it doesn't fill. GTC, or good till cancelled, keeps the order active beyond today until it fills or you cancel it, subject to your broker's policy on how long GTC orders remain open. Day is useful for short-term opportunities. GTC is helpful if you're waiting patiently for a specific price. When everything looks right, click Buy and review the confirmation. Carefully check the symbol, side, buy, quantity, order type, any limit price you set, and the duration. If it all matches your plan, confirm the order. Market orders typically fill quickly during regular hours, while limit orders may fill immediately, partially, or remain open until your conditions are met. That's it. Simple, clear, and controlled. Thanks for watching, and trade thoughtfully.